Everybody, it's Taj here. Today's lesson is downloading, installing, and configuring the Docker for your Windows machine. You can do it on your Mac, Linux, depend whichever operating system you use, and I will show you how you can use for those operating system. This video is particular for Windows, but that does not matter that you can't do it if you are different operating system user. So Docker, what is a Docker? Well, Docker is a set of a platform as a service product that uses operating system level virtualization to deliver software in package called container. Container are isolated from one another and bundle their own software libraries and configuration files, so they can communicate with each other through well-defined channel. So it's basically is a platform. Instead of using the virtual machine, VMware or the virtual box, you can use your own computer, and you won't even feel it that you are using any virtual platform. It's gonna be happen on your computer as you using any other services. Okay, so let's start this. Before we start, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do that. So I don't have many subscribers yet, so please do that. And okay, let's go to this link first. So this is the link you need to be. I will put this link in the description so that when you click on it, it will direct you where you need to create an account. Creating account in a Docker is totally free, so you don't need to worry about any money or anything like that. Sign up for the account, create an account, Docker ID. Just remember everything. It will be a unique for to yourself only, and yeah, so you just download it. You click on the window, and when you click on the window, and you can download it. Okay, and get Docker, and then you install it. If you click on Mac, of course it's gonna be for Mac. Okay, as you can see, automatically my name is opened my profile, and it's a Taj. That's my name. But for you have to create it, and then you come up to over here. Okay, what I do, I will put this link, so where you click just get Docker for Windows and Mac into this description all the way at the end, so that you can, when you do create your account, you will get directed here, and then you click this and it will be download into your download folder. Happy? Okay, good. Okay, let's go. The next thing is, guys, so when you download that, it will be in your download folder. But what I want you guys to do, create a folder called Open-distro. So why are we talking about Open-distro here? Why this? So my next lesson after this one will be on Open-distro for Elasticsearch and Kibana. So if you are interested, just watch out for my next lesson, guys. Subscribe my channel, and you will get the notification. It won't be long, maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Okay. So just for time being, guys, just create a folder called Open, all small letter, Open hyphen distro in your C drive. Okay, and go into and do, uh, copy that downloader file over here. As you can see, my downloader folder for Docker desktop installer is here. Happy? Okay, let's run this file. So click on it, right click, and run as an administrator. Happy? Click, run. It should be good to go. Okay, let's wait for this to come up. And if it do take some time, no, it's coming up. All right, okay. Otherwise, I was thinking to pause the video. Right, so it's just like straight in. Press OK. It might ask us to restart the system. Um, you know, might do that. Then I have to pause the video and redo it that way. Okay, it definitely will say to restart it, because it is the way it's supposed to. It's installing all the package and everything, guys. Okay, I'm just gonna pause the video to save some time, because I don't want to stretch this video um too long. All right, guys, it's come up over here, so I'm just gonna close it. That's done. Happy? So now you got um, Docker desktop installer. So if you go up here and one sec, not this, sorry, it should come up. So I think we need to restart it. So we have to restart it, and after you restart, guys, um, it, when you open this your um, bottom right hand side corner, you will see a little Docker sign over here, and yeah, make sure you log in, and that's it. Docker is good to go. Happy? So that's it. That was the installations. Is nothing important in this video, but watch out for my next video, which will be installations and um, for the open distro and Elasticsearch and Kibana. Okay, guys. So see you in next video, guys. Thank you very much.